Some senators are pushing the impeachment court to convene a week after President Bongbong Marcos's fourth State of the Nation address. In a forum on Wednesday, July 16, Senator Joel Villanueva says there are informal discussions in the chamber regarding the proposed convening of the impeachment court on August 4.
Ang direksyon po ng ilang sa mga senator judges ay yun nga po, magsumpa na yung ating mga bagong senator judges, and at the same time i-convene ang impeachment court. And it looks like we are just going to wait for 1 week to organize ourselves as a Senate, yung mga committees, etc., leadership, at ang House ganun din po. And then a week after, we can convene the impeachment court and have the defense and the prosecution present their cases.
According to Senator Villanueva, there is no final decision yet regarding the proposal, but 4 to 6 senators already agreed with the proposal. Villanueva says he personally agreed with the proposed timeline. Villanueva adds he believes that it would give both chambers of Congress the ample time to organize itself.
Ang pag-uusap namin nung ilang mga senador together with Senate President Chis Escudero na once we were able to organize ourselves, naayos na yung leadership. Ako, nung tinanong niya ako, nag-agree na ako na pwede yung August 4, and I think that's enough time to be given sa Senate and the House to organize itself. And come August 4, we'll be able to convene the impeachment court.